reason why we call it a jet, actually, the world's first vertical takeoff and landing jet is all about the engines and its superior aerodynamics. I am Junior Ras, and I'm working as a senior test engineer at Lilium. We're here in the biggest wind tunnel facility in Europe, and we brought with us a 40% scale of our aircraft. Within these walls, we conduct wind tunnel tests. It's here that we meticulously examine how the air interacts with our aircraft, providing invaluable insight on its performance and efficiency. In the 5 past years, we gathered data from all different testing areas. The data we gathered in controlled environment, like the wind tunnel, together with our flight test data, enables us to refine the design, ensuring our aircraft meets the highest level of safety and functionality. Why do we call it a jet if it takes off vertically? The answer lies in the seamless transition between vertical takeoff and horizontal flight, powered by ducted electric engines and its aerodynamic superiority. Another reason why we call it jet is the cabin. The whole body wing appearance is built on aerodynamic behavior. A helicopter or most open rotor-based cabins are boxy. Ours is built for the streamline. These jet engines are very similar to a traditional aircraft, just without the combustion. And unlike open rotors, those engines are scalable, safer, and less noisy. It's not just about takeoff, it's about a new era in aviation.